the untold story of Kylie Jenner's billion-dollar empire. Imagine turning your biggest insecurity into a billion-dollar empire. That's exactly what Kylie Jenner did. At just 21, she became the world's youngest self-made billionaire. But how? Today we're peeling back the layers of Kylie's empire. It's not just about makeup, it's a blueprint for modern entrepreneurship. Let's start at the beginning. Born in 1997, Kylie grew up in the spotlight. At just 10 years old, she debuted on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. While most kids were worrying about homework, Kylie was learning about fame, influence, and business from her family. Fast forward to 2014. Kylie, then 17, was already a social media powerhouse. But she had a secret. She was insecure about her lips. This insecurity would become the foundation of her empire. In 2015, Kylie took a leap. She invested $250,000 from her modeling earnings into creating Kylie lip kits. Why lips? She'd been overlining her lips for years, sparking a trend. Kylie saw an opportunity to monetize her influence. The first launch? November 30th, 2015. 3 lip kits priced at $29 each. The result? They sold out in less than a minute. This wasn't just a product launch. It was the birth of a phenomenon. Kylie's secret weapon? Social media. With millions of followers, she had a built-in customer base. Every post, every story became a potential sale. No need for traditional advertising. Her fans were her billboards. But here's where it gets interesting. Kylie didn't just sell products, she sold exclusivity. Limited edition launches created a frenzy. Fans set alarms to catch restocks. It wasn't just makeup, it was an event. In February 2016, riding the wave of success, Kylie rebranded to Kylie Cosmetics. The company expanded beyond lip kits, introducing eyeshadow, blush, and highlighters. Each launch was an event, creating a frenzy among fans. Now, let's talk numbers. In just 18 months, Kylie Cosmetics made $420 million in sales. By 2018, Forbes valued the company at $900 million. Kylie owned 100% of it. In November 2019, she made a power move. She sold 51% of Kylie Cosmetics to beauty giant Coty for $600 million. This deal valued the company at $1.2 billion. Smart move. It gave her cash to expand and brought in industry expertise. The Coty deal wasn't just about money. It was a strategic partnership. Coty's global infrastructure could help Kylie Cosmetics expand internationally. It was a clear signal. Kylie wasn't playing in the beauty industry. She was aiming to dominate it. But Kylie's empire didn't stop at makeup. In 2019, she launched Kylie Skin, a skincare line. The first product sold out in minutes. It was déjà vu of the lip kit launch, proving Kylie's brand power extended beyond color cosmetics. September 2021 saw another expansion, Kylie Baby. This line of baby care products showcased Kylie's ability to leverage her personal life. She had become a mother in 2018 into business opportunities. So what can we learn from Kylie's playbook? Know your audience. Kylie's fans are young, social media savvy, and image conscious. Her products and marketing speak directly to them. Leverage your strengths. Kylie used her massive social media following to build her brand. What's your unique advantage? Create scarcity. Limited editions, exclusive drops. They all feed into FOMO, fear of missing out. It's basic supply and demand. Diversify. Kylie didn't stop at makeup. She expanded into skincare and baby products. Always be looking for new opportunities. Timing is everything. Kylie caught the perfect wave of social media influence and the booming beauty industry. Stay alert to trends in your field. But it hasn't all been smooth sailing. In May 2020, Forbes published an article accusing Kylie of inflating her wealth and her company's value. They stripped her of the self-made billionaire title. The lesson? Transparency matters. trust is hard to build and easy to lose. Despite the controversy, Kylie's business ventures continue to thrive. Her ability to bounce back from setbacks is a testament to her resilience as an entrepreneur. So what's next for Kylie? Rumors are swirling about a possible clothing line. Given her fashion influence, it could be her next big hit. But here's the million-dollar question. Or should we say billion-dollar question? Is Kylie's success replicable? Can anyone turn their passion into a massive business empire? The answer isn't simple. Kylie had advantages, fame, capital, connections, but she also had vision, drive, and business savvy. She saw an opportunity and seized it with both hands. The beauty industry is ruthlessly competitive. Brands come and go faster than you can say liquid lipstick. Yet Kylie Cosmetics has stayed on top. That's not just luck, it's strategy. Think about it. How many celebrities have tried to launch makeup lines? Plenty. How many have reached Kylie's level of success? Very few. So what's the takeaway for aspiring entrepreneurs? You might not have Kylie's resources, but you can adopt her mindset. Identify your niche. Use your unique advantages. Create buzz. Be adaptable. Remember, every empire starts with a single step. Kylie's began with a lip kit. What will yours start with? As we close this chapter of Kylie's business saga, consider this. Her journey isn't just about makeup or money. It's about turning an idea into an empire. It's about seeing opportunity where others see obstacles. So the next time you look in the mirror, ask yourself, what's your billion-dollar idea? And more importantly, are you ready to pursue it with the same determination as Kylie Jenner? If you found these tips valuable, you definitely don't want to miss the incredible strategies that Bon Jovi used. Check it out here. If you would like to know how to create and launch your own business, then check out my website and learn about my Business Growth Accelerator course bundle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights and inspiration. Thanks for watching and keep pushing the boundaries of your business.